New Positivity TV, inspiring the best of you. Appreciate you guys taking time to watch the video. Please hit the like button, give us thumbs up. This pigeon's trying to figure out, should I get some water or should I not? And he decided to, let me go for it. This is actually for the dogs, but these pigeons seem to enjoy it as well. New Positivity TV. Please hit the like button and subscribe. We appreciate you guys taking time to visit the channel. We know you could be visiting other channels and you choose to watch ours. We greatly appreciate it. Peace, love, happiness. Keep moving forward. It's like, make some room for me. Look at. They get a little drink and then take off. You see the other little bird over there. They were sharing it with the birds. Thank you for watching.